Goal of this session is to install golang 1.21.3 on the Linux box. This is open to terminal and I'm going to pull down the binary for golang installation. Let me do it right away. All right, it has been downloaded. So we have go.1.23 Linux tarball here. It's form of a unzip file. So we need to extract that. I'm going to pull it into user local minus xzf go dot 1.23 21 dot 3 dot Linux AMD 64 dot dot concept. We're going to extract this to user local. It's extracted. We are now going to export some environment variables, particularly the path variable. So I'm going to say $path colon slash user local go bin. Now I'm going to set the go path also. That's going to be $home slash go. And now again I'm going to export the path equal to $path colon $go path slash bin. Perfect. Now I can say source tilde slash dot bash dot c. Now if I say go version, it's 123, 1.21.3 is installed. Perfect. Now I can clear the screen. I say go. We have go installed. So we can try a new program. We write main.go package main import fmt function main fmt dot println my sample program. Okay, I will save this and now say go run main.go. Perfect. So we have successfully installed and compiled our first Golang application.